Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into another Dark Star Customs video. We are getting really close to finishing up this 2022 giveaway Street Glide with a custom fat front tire and all the extra goodies that will be put on. What we're going to do today is a quick video of putting the CVO rear fender on and the custom rim that matches the front tire. So like I said, going to be a quick video of me installing the fender and the rear tire, and soon we're going to be throwing all the tins and everything back on, wrapping this thing up and selling some halves and getting ready to give it away to one of you guys out there. So stay tuned for this quick video on the install for the rear fender and wheel. One rear wheel, ready to mount. Alrighty guys, it's 30 degrees outside. We got snow flurries here in Cleveland, and the rear fender is now officially on. So we're going to wrap up this rear end, throw the new matching rim and tire as the front here momentarily. But we're going to take a little break here and take in the splendor of this killer new rear fender. I don't know if the once again, if I'm picking up any of these sparkles. It looks like I am a little bit. Put the metal flake in this bike is just crazy. It's going to be an absolutely sick paint job when it's done. For everyone that's subscribed, I greatly appreciate your support. For you guys watching the video, That's how I can keep these videos going, is by your support. So please subscribe, share with your friends, hit the notification bell so you know what's going on with our next videos coming up, and once again, greatly appreciate your support. So this 22 Street Glide is going to be wrapped up here soon, and we're going to get it out to a new owner. Going to be giving you guys a chance to win it. So stay tuned, guys. Alrighty guys, check it out. We got the rear fender installed, the new CVO rear fender, custom painted black with the red metal flake in it, and we got the matching custom rear tire on with the custom rim that matches the fatty front rim and tire up front. This thing is coming together very, very nicely, guys. So what we're going to be doing here, like I said a little earlier, is once we get everything back from paint, we're going to be throwing everything back on and start selling hats to give it away to one of you guys out there. So I'm super stoked. So like I've said in the videos before, I greatly appreciate all you guys out there that have already subscribed. If you have not, please subscribe, share, like, comment. You guys know what to do. That's how we get our videos out to you guys. And if you guys want to continue winning Harleys, my builds, that's what it's going to take. I need to build up my subs. And like I said, do your commenting, liking, sharing. And I'm going to continue building killer bikes to give away to you guys out there. But let me show you what I put on. There she is, guys. 2022 Street Glide getting customized. It will literally be a bike that you can take to shows and win. Fatty front tire up front, killer rim, and we've just installed the matching rear rim. And the CVO rear fender. So there she is, guys. Got the rear fender installed. Got the blacked out lights. The red metal flake and the paint that I've been telling you guys about. And like I said, the matching rear rim to match the front.
Beautiful, beautiful rim. You guys are getting a killer new ride. Fatty front tire up front, chin spoiler, new boards, brake pedal, air cleaner, rear passenger pegs. Threw some new fat 4.5-inch mufflers on the back. CVO rear fender. The bags are going to be stretched. Side covers are stretched. Going to get a custom cross-stitch seat. Low profile console for the tank. I'm going to trick out the gauges to be backlit by red LEDs. Got new grips on, new apes. All kinds of goodies, guys. This is going to be one sweet glide. Can't wait to finish it and give it away to one of you guys. So we're going to follow this all the way down to the delivery to one of you guys. And like I said, I want to keep these videos interactive. So I want to keep you guys in the loop of what kind of goes into them, and you know, color schemes, parts, you know, things of that nature. So need you guys to like, subscribe, share, so I can continue these builds and give them away to you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. We're about to wrap this up very soon. Thanks for watching.